We'll be live.
There he is.
I told you when the light goes on, you got another 20. What is
It's a 35.
30 miles?
But if that it,
You told me 6 miles.
no, hell no.
You feel like 5, 6 miles.
It's 35. 35 on like no, I was already there. Yeah, my came up like yeah.
I'm like,
Oh, I gotta throw this on YouTube tonight. Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, my camera's done. Video's done. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all later. Mike, we were running out of gas, so it's all gravy. Had some fun. All right, YouTube. We're here with Mike. He had to look at the prices. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. No comment. 14 is gonna hurt my wallet. Yeah, that makes no sense. That fuel, woo, 489. I'm not feeling that at all. Yeah. Yeah, I am not feeling that at all. Let me get this up out of here. 20 bucks used to hook me up. And you see this mess right here? Terrible. Terrible. No. It is what it is. I hope this crisis ends so that we can enjoy our stuff. So that was supposed to be the end of the video. But oh, shout out to Power Moto. That's a good dude right there. Very enthusiastic. Make sure you check out his channel. Also shout out to Moto Mac. Gonna be doing some collabos during the season and all that. And shout out to Black Moses. I will be definitely going out to that Clutch Control, or not Clutch Control, his event that's gonna be at NJMP. That's gonna be real cool. Like if I had to take off from military duty or something, because for the fact that it's gonna be in Jersey, it's kind of far, but gotta support my man. You gotta take care of each other, you know. Other YouTubers, other vendors, so on and so forth. So it is what it is. The man, the myth, is the X-Predator, Alex Lexus. I'll see you later. Peace. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Wow. Wow. And then they had the nerve. It sold you with the 10 cents. Knowing full well, a lot of us use our cards and whatnot. And Mike is talking to the guest. It gotta be Mike. Oh, you getting something? What's up?
You said you have no comment. Check it out.
All right. Oh my God, here we go. You know what? I can't edit it out. That's good content. That's good content. That was unbelievable. The views expressed by Mikey B do not reflect that of. Oh my gosh. You know what? Folks, we're done. We'll see y'all later.